It's getting late! Huh? Where is my class? Oh, they're already there! No! I better be running! Hey! But why did he do something like that? Good morning, Professor. May I come in?
It's very late. This is the last time I let you in. Come on. It's the most sleeper. Just be quiet. Nobody's laughing. Come on. Huh? Never mind. I'm gonna start my class. Today we're gonna learn math.
We're gonna rule the world!
Not in my class! I'm going to resolve this quickly so I can go outside. It's almost done.
Let me see what you're doing.
I'm sorry, it's an individual work. I love how I write. Why are you still here? Do you really want it? Well, it doesn't exist anymore. What are you gonna do now?
Are you okay?
Oh God, why did I do that?
Silly!
Oh, how silly they are!
I'm here. What's the problem, Professor?
They are doing it again!
Oh no!
You better go.
Ouch! Hey! You think you're funny, eh? Ouch!
I'm afraid you are under arrest. Come with me.
But this doesn't make any sense! That was really fun!
Whoa! Hey! Stop laughing! I tried to resolve that! Come
I
on!
can't do it!
Of course you do! Come on!
Math always makes me nervous. Besides,
So
everyone
what?
is
You
looking
have to
at me.
focus, boy!
Okay, I'll do my best. That's it.
What have you done? Just come back to your chair! Now, who's gonna be the next one, huh? You! What should I? Oh, I'm glad to do it! Great! Do your job! See? I love maths! Oh, that's geometry! That's not a result! Oh, sorry! What about you?
Oh, I'm just reading.
Go, kid!
No thanks.
I said go!
Oh, sure, I can do that. Please, brain, help me on this.
Come on, it's not that hard. Just look at my fingers, see?
Now we understand. Great. Now I can do some magic. Ta-da! Now I can escape. I'll do this carefully. He could wake up soon. Now I gotta climb until I get there. Ha! Uh-oh, this is difficult. And that's the answer. What are you guys laughing about?
Oh, no way!
What?
Are you kidding me?
Uh-oh. Professor, wait! That's all I can do! Don't punish me!
I'm tired of you!
Come on! I can't activate it! Come on! Oh! Huh! Oops! This is not a great idea! Whoa!
Hey! Whoa!
It's recess!
What? No, it's not! Huh? No!
Okay, go back to normal! Bye-bye, Dreamer!
Oh, I fell asleep. Everything's fine? Huh? Oh no! This is bad! Professor, why are you on the floor? Here, let me help you.
You are making it bad worse! Just don't touch me! Bunch of losers! They'll pay for this!
Alright, are you ready for the mission? We need to fill this gun completely so I can resurrect Bambolina. Poor girl, she's white as a ghost now. Red did this to her. I need my revenge.
Oh no! Don't worry. We are gonna do it for
Are
her.
you serious? You're gonna need this.
Great. We are powerful now. Let's do it.
They fell into my trap. Like you, Red. Please, let me go. There's no time for regrets. I need more cubes. Where can I
I'm
find
gonna do
them?
it from behind.
I just need the letters J, U, and
Oh,
What was that? I have a lot of imagination.
you really think so? But you can't imagine the pain.
Ah, my tower is broken.
Oh, Poor guy. Don't worry. I can help you.
Huh? Are you trying to... Oh my god! It's perfect! I love it! Thank you, you're my hero!
You're welcome.
It's time to kill him! Now!
It's true, but I can't do this. I should feel ashamed.
Talking to? You are so brave.
I'm sorry. But we need your soul.
Oh, I love this room!
Look who's here! I have to be very careful. Any move could be perceived by him. Okay, I'm too close. Oh, jeez.
Oh, sorry. Are you okay?
Sure, I just need some company.
Oh, really? You can play with me.
Okay, I guess I can try it. Look, I can do it. This is wonderful.
You're doing great. Congratulations.
I know, thanks.
That's not your mission, girl.
Oh, I guess I should go.
Okay, give me that.
And before that, I have to do something.
Oh no!
I'm sorry. This is my work.
I'm an expert cooking. I love it.
Okay, it's time to do some justice. Hey, my stomach. I'm hungry.
Oh, are you feeling hungry, right?
Hey? Oh, that'll be great.
I have the perfect dinner for you. Take this. I know you would love this.
Yummy. I love sandwich.
And look, there you have the paradise of sandwiches.
Oh God, this is a dream. Yahoo!
You love food, right?
You don't have any idea. Oh, right. I have to do something.
What do you have to do?
I don't know.
Kill him! Now!
Okay.
Look, this is the best sandwich I ever made.
I didn't want to do this.
This is for a good cause. Don't feel bad. Let's go! All right, my dear Bambolina. You're coming back to life. Amazing! She's recovering her soul. What? Oh no! Maybe I need one more soul. Don't you think? No!
What's going on here?
Please stop! Don't do this!
This is unfair. I have to do something.
Oh.
Girl, we need to do something.
We can't do anything.
I'm so repentant.
What's going on?
Banban made us do this.
Oh, don't feel guilty.
Oh,
You too?
I was really bad. He gave me a lot of food.
What shall I do? It's time to get revenge. But where is he?
He's gone with my soul!
Oh, honey, I'm so sorry. We can do this.
It's okay. Oh, please, you know that's not true. Sorry, guys, but my friend needs this. I hope she'll finally be back with this. Yes, it's working. No, wake up! Why is this happening? What else can I do?
He has feelings too. I have an idea. Hey, have you kissed her?
Huh? That's not the best plan.
It sounds practical to me. Why don't you try it?
Oh? Well, I don't want your help! Please go!
Okay, if you don't want it, I'll go.
No! Please! I need your help! It's the only one I have! You can restore her, right? Come on!
Thank you. You're a good person now.
I'm a what? Ugh!
Come back to life, buddies. Now it's time to wake up. I know you can do it.
Am I alive?
Great! We are alive!
Finally, guys!
And now?
All you have to do is give her a kiss.
Why would you even say that?
It's obvious, can't you see it?
Now that I think so, maybe it is. I'm alive? Oh!
Yes, you are! Finally, my boy!
Thank you! I can do this! Mwah.
Huh? You finally discover it!
Oh!